Hi, it's Alyssa from OnlineFabricStore. Over the last few months, the trees outside of our office have taken quite the beating from all the salt that's being dropped on the road. So today, we're going to make a burlap wrap for them to protect them from all of the elements and the salt. So let's get started. The materials you will need are burlap, a needle and twine, and tree wrap. Measure your trees to determine how much burlap you will need for your project. I'm covering 2 trees, each about 6 feet tall, so I'm using 24 square feet of burlap. The burlap I am using comes in 6 by 6 foot squares. Using the twine and needle, roughly sew together the burlap pieces so that they are able to easily slide over the trees. I sewed my 4 squares together to make one large square, and then folded that in half and sewed down one of the edges. The folded edge will be the top of the wrap. Starting at the base of the tree, use tree wrap to protect its trunk. Wrap until you reach the bottom branches of the tree. Tie this off loosely. Collect the branches of the trees and loosely wrap them into shape using twine. This will help the trees keep their shape through the winter months and will help them stay strong under the weight of the snow. Slide the burlap over the trees. Sew down the remaining edge. When it comes time to take the wrap off, simply cut away the material. Burlap is biodegradable, so it can be thrown away easily, used for other projects, or even used for next year's tree wrap. The best time to wrap your trees is in the late fall before the first frost, but if you, like us, notice that your trees are becoming damaged, you can make a wrap for them at any time. Burlap wraps will protect your trees from sun scald, wind, salt damage, and from splitting underneath the weight of the snow. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.